Hello, Sally Miggy here with Miggy Coaching Solutions, and we are on day 4 of the April Adventure Sober Spring Alcohol-Free Challenge, and I thought I would just pop on with another quick video to recap the lessons from day 3 and day 4 in case you're following along. So day 3's lesson was around surfing the urge, which is a common technique that's used for getting over cravings and triggers. And the gist of it really is recognizing that our urges or our cravings or triggers have like a crest, like a wave, and you can surf that wave. The crest happens at about 20 minutes. So if you get through those rough 20 minutes by distracting yourself with doing anything else besides drinking, then that wave will get to a peak and then the craving will subside. So that was the tip for day 3 lesson. And then day 4, which is today, the lesson was around recognizing where our common triggers might be kicking in so we can get ahead of them. So knowing what those common triggers are super important so we can plan ahead and make sure we get over the discomfort of the common triggers that might pop up. So the 4 common triggers, and then I have 2 bonus ones, are spell the acronym HALT, H-A-L-T. The H stands for hunger. Sometimes we are tricked into thinking that we need a drink just because we're hungry. So that's our body's way of triggering that our body needs something. And many times it's food and not a drink. The second one is A for anger. So sometimes some tough feelings might be triggering for us to want to grab a drink. The third one, again, kind of around the lines of some tough feelings, is loneliness. So that's the L. If we're feeling lonely or down by ourselves, sometimes that may be a trigger to grab a drink. And then the fourth one is tired. So if you're tired, then that could be another trigger. And then there's 2 bonus ones are BS, because sometimes it is just BS and our brain tricks us. But the 2 extra acronym letters here are B for boredom. So sometimes just out of boredom, we might want to grab a drink. And then the other one is stress. So this was a really important one for me to recognize, is that I was definitely a stress drinker with lots of travel and kind of some work stress. So managing it by drinking is not the healthy way out there. So anyway, so that was a quick recap of your day 3 and day 4 lessons. Remember the HALT plus BS acronym so you can really plan for when those triggers might come up. And the question to ask yourself, if you do have that trigger or that craving, is really get clear on what does your body really need right now. Are you just hungry or angry or lonely, tired, bored, or stressed? And do something to combat those feelings versus grabbing a drink. So if you like this video, give it a like, follow me on all social media platforms, and I look forward to catching you on the next video.